Hey guys, so welcome back. In this video, we'll be trying to solve the 28th lead code problem, that is implement strings inside of strings basically. So you have to return the index of the first occurrence of a needle in a haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of the haystack. So what they mean by this is they will be giving you a string, say for example hello, and they'll be giving you a needle, say for example LL. You're supposed to return the index in which the first alphabet of the needle occurs in the string. So in this case, the first L comes at the second index. So you have to output 2 as the answer. Similarly, in this you have A, but the needle is BBA. But since the substring BBA is not inside the main string, you have to output -1. And like this is the base case, or like the exceptional case. Alright, so now let's see how we can solve this problem. Now this is a comparatively easy problem to solve. So let's say you have a word called hello, and you also have something, your needle is LL, alright, and this is your haystack. So the naive solution would be like just to compare the first alphabet of the needle to the main string, right? So now here you have LL, so like you just search for L inside hello. So like you will get this L as answer, and then you can output 2. But that could work, but in some cases it may not work. So let's say for example, in case you have a, like I'm just going to be making up a word, alright, like it's just for like demonstrations, alright. So if I have something like HELO, LLO, okay, so just imagine this is my haystack. And just imagine my needle like is the same thing, that is LL. So in this case, we want to return this L as the answer. But if we just search for the first alphabet of the needle, it will pick up this L, right? But this, the index of this L is 2. This is not the right answer because this contains only one L, and we want these two pairs of LL, right? So the the solution to this is we have to search for the entire needle inside the haystack. So instead of like just searching for the first alphabet, we have to search for the entire substring. Okay, so now let's see how we can solve this. Now this is a pretty basic problem. Let me erase this. Okay, so now here comes our basic cases. If haystack is none, what you can do is you can just return 0, I guess, right? Yeah. And then elif needle in haystack. Now if you find the needle in the haystack, you have to get the index of the full substring, right? So I can just put haystack dot index of needle. So it will basically search for the entire substring inside the main string. So now the else case is if the substring is not there, I can return -1. And here I have to return a value. Okay, now this should work. Let's see if this works. And there you go, it works. Let me submit this. And there you go, that's how you solve this problem. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.